Hey guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing something very special from Nike. Last Friday there was a super limited and surprise drop that occurred on Travis Scott's website. I think it came out to be aj1low.travisscott.com, and he was dropping Air Jordan 1 Low Mocha colorway. There was a Air Jordan 1 high top Jordan 1 that everyone knows that dropped in Mocha colorway, which was the brownish colorway with black and white. Right now that particular sneaker is probably reselling for about anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500 on a resale site, and that was also very super limited. But on Friday around 8 o'clock there was a surprise drop. I got in there, I waited about 25 minutes in queue only to get major L. I was pretty annoyed at that, but after getting an L I started to browse website to see if there's another potential drop coming along. Sure enough, on the Nike website, someone found on the internet that it's supposed to drop around 10 a.m. on Saturday. So after seeing that, I got up early morning Saturday. Around 9:50, I started to browse around the sneaker app. 10 minutes before the drop, sure enough, there was a notification that popped up saying that Air Jordan 1 Low is dropping. So at exactly 10 a.m., me, along with my second cell phone that I have and my fiance, entered in the raffle. So we had 3 raffles going in. Actually, I hit one and my fiance also hit one, but her credit card actually got declined, so I was the only one able to get the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott pair. I was actually pretty stoked about it. They actually gave 30 minutes instead of 10-minute typical time for them to drop. I think they gave 30 minutes because this was very surprise on the sneaker app itself. There was no announcement whatsoever. Only people who knew that it was dropping was able to enter, and I think that's also the reason why they gave 20 extra minutes, total of 30 minutes to actually enter the raffle. That being said, let's go ahead and open the box. First of all, I purchased few pairs of sneakers from Nike, but this is the first time I'm seeing this particular box. Nike logo in front, and then on the top the tape is actually come with the Just Do It tape. I actually never seen that. We'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, here we go. So for Travis Scott, Air Jordan 1 is a little different box. Nike logo and everything is pretty much the same, but for size 9 it actually feels pretty small. Maybe because it's the Air Jordan Low, so it doesn't really take much box real estate than the actual high, but it feels smaller than the usual. Also, the colorway itself is a little brown color, mocha color I would say, compared to the black box that comes with it, and the box kind of opens up from the top instead of just a flap. That's typical. Once you open it up, there's pink paper, Nike Air, and the Travis Scott logo, and obviously the Cactus Jack logo as well. This paper is pretty dope. And then there's another one covering the sneaker, usual white paper. Wow, there's a very strong smell. As I opened this up, I could smell the new shoe smell. So I'll take it out and put the box aside. Now I got the pair in size 9. We'll go through all the details. There's actually a lot of detail that I'm already seeing that I'm pretty excited to show. Right off the bat, the Nike logo, as you guys know, just like the Air Jordan 1, the high top one, the Nike swoosh is in the backward. I think that's really dope how they did it, and kind of cut off on the sole down here. If you look at the back, there's Air Jordan logo on the back. On the tag, typical Air Jordan Nike Air logo, and the insole or inside of your shoes there's another Nike swoosh, and then the back there's a Cactus Jack logo on kind of sitting behind the swoosh. Inside there's a Travis Scott writing written inside of it. Actually on the inside of the left pair, this actually doesn't have the Travis Scott logo and name on it. This has the Air Jordan logo, and then further in I could see the Cactus Jack logo written on it. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but this is the left one, and then the right one on the inside it actually says the Travis Scott in white box logo, and then the bottom pretty standard Air Jordan 1 sole on the bottom. Leather is actually really nice, or suede I think. It feels really great to touch, very smooth. I think the Air Jordan 1 high top is actually black swoosh white, I believe, under where the black is for the lows, and then the brown or mocha color is pretty much the same on the low and high. Along with the black laces that it came with it, there's 3 other colors. There's a pink one, and then there's a black one, and then there's a red one. The black one here, this is more like a round puffier shoelaces, whereas the one already came with it is pretty flat, thin shoelaces. Just kind of similar to how the red is, the black is already laced up. I like the pink one, so if I were to rock this, I'll put on the pink shoelace. I think it looks really dope with the pink and black and mocha color. I'm super excited for this. I still can't believe I won this. I've been checking my order to see where the status is every few hours, trying to see when the tracking number is updated, when the tracking number is actually being out for delivery. I've been just following it all the time, and then as soon as it got delivered, I had to film right away so I could open it up and see it in person. And boy, this is a very special sneaker. There's actually a lot of questions circulating around whether this sneaker, there's some consortium store that actually didn't drop these, that actually are holding on to it, and they're gonna be dropping a little after the fact. But actually on Travis Scott's Instagram story, he actually came out and said that there's no more of Air Jordan 1 Low, and there's no more stock left for him to sell it again. So this is great news for those who have it, that this is gonna be pretty much exclusive and very limited pair. For those who wants it, that's actually pretty unfortunate and sad story for you guys, because you know, now you're gonna have to fight for the resale on these. The resale is already going crazy. I bought this for 130 bucks. Again, me being in New Jersey, no sales tax, and then Nike doesn't charge shipping, so 130 bucks for Air Jordan Low, and then right now resale goes for over $1,000. It's fluctuating a little bit right now because it's pretty early. Some people are trying to get it off their hand real quick, so some of the resellers are undercutting each other. But if you hold on to it, I'm sure there's going to be well over $1,000 on a resale market. So those words out to those resellers, try not to undercut each other, hold it a little bit, and definitely going to go up in price, well over $1,000. That being said, I'll stop talking. I'll take a better picture and video for you guys to see. There's a lot of detail that got put into this shoe, so I'll give you guys a closer look from various different angles for this shoes. As always, I'll try this on, show you guys a little bit on feet, and we'll wrap it up.